Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add favicon in Squarespace. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to the design option. So simply click here, and after that here you can see the option browse icon. So simply just click on browse icon. So now here click on add a favicon. So simply in order to do this, just as you can see 0.1 MB max, so you have to upload the image that are less than 1 MB or in actual in the size of 1 MB. You cannot upload a maximum size or extra MB size here. So simply just click on add a favicon. Simply after that you can upload a file or select from library. So simply I want to upload a file, select here, and after that just click on the image that you want to add as a favicon. Simply select this, and now here wait for a few seconds, our image is being uploaded here. So here you can see we have successfully add a favicon here. Simply click on save button. So in this way you can add a favicon in Squarespace.